Hi everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome to my YouTube channel. On my channel for the month of October 2020, I'm celebrating the 31 days of Halloween. Woo! And today's video is no different. I will be showing you 3 different tutorials on how to make really fabulous bloody necklaces inspired by vampire bites. This one is more of like the more hardcore and advanced one, but this one is inspired after you get bitten and they like suck it out and then don't really like drink your blood. And then I have 2 other ones that you can see here. One of them is really simple, like this. And this one, it just has the plain vampire bite. I know it's cute and it's simple and it's very understated, so you can wear this out. I mean, not like I would wear this one out, though. Don't even question it, I would wear it. And then I have one that's a little bit more actual vampire bite and a little bit of blood drippy. And these are all kind of just like interesting because I've actually seen a few of these styles online and I wanted to make some for myself. So I figured I'd share this in a tutorial. So if you're new to my channel, I am CelesteOrchid. I've been cosplaying for 15 years. I've been cosplaying since 2005. I've won multiple awards such as Best in Show, Master of Performance, and Best Craftsmanship. So if you're new here, thank you for coming in. Subscribe if you're interested in my type of content. Usually I post cosplay tutorials and fashion sewing videos. So welcome to my channel. So let's go ahead and get into these really easy choker tutorials. For my chokers, I will be making them from scratch. I have a video in detail on my YouTube channel how to do this, and it's the same principle when I made the zipper bracelets. So I'm creating 3 basic chokers for all 3 tutorials. For this first choker, grab some E6000 or universal glue and some red sequins. Glue 2 sequins about 1.5 inches apart from each other on the side of the choker, not the middle. And then let it dry. Ta-da! That one is completely finished. Super simple, easy, and vampire pleasy. The next choker is the vampire bites with dripping blood. If you can get dripping beads, the better it'll look. First, you'll need a needle and thread, the red sequins, and red seed beads again. Start by sewing a sequin and a red bead to one side of the choker and go back through the sequin to anchor it down to the choker. Do this a few times to make a big vampire tooth mark. I did this 3 times. Make sure to secure all your work with a few knots at the end. If you have extra string after making the knots, you can start to add the seed beads to create the dripping blood. If you don't have enough thread, go ahead and cut off the excess and re-thread the needle. Make a knot and sew it through the back of the choker. Thread the beads on until you have your desired length. Make sure to vary your sizes so it gives a little bit extra effect. Once you're happy with the length, leave a bead at the end to anchor it and sew back through all the other beads. Then make a few knots to secure the beads down on the choker. Cut off the excess thread. Now what you can do is feel free to create more hanging beads looks for an extra bloody sensational look. Repeat this again on the other side, creating the other bite mark, just like the first one. you're enjoying this video, please take the time to hit the red button down below to subscribe and never miss out on any future videos. For the final choker, we are going to be repeating the same steps as the second one, but this time on a bigger scale. For the choker base, you're going to create more of a line that goes across the middle. Mine is around 4 inches long, give or take. And then start sewing sequins and beads downward to the bottom, covering half of the choker. After you're done with the choker base, you're going to repeat the same steps as the second choker, creating hanging beads at the bottom. Stagnate them so that they are graduated, so the smallest to the biggest from the sides to the inside. Just letting you guys know, this is not the finished product because I had to stop. I ran out of smaller beads to finish this to get the full bloody effect. So I'm going to keep adding more to the middle here. You can add as little or as much as you like, depending on how gory you would like it to be or how couture. Obviously, this one is going to be a little bit more hardcore than something you can wear on a daily basis. For this look, the more bead strands, the better. This one is all about the drama. If you have any questions on this, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to respond to it. So I hope you guys will actually use these choker tutorials and show me pictures if you use the hashtag CelesteOrchid. And I would love to see what you have. Oh no, not a hashtag, @. So I hope you guys really enjoyed these small choker top talking. So I hope you guys really enjoyed these small little choker tutorials on my channel previously. I need to practice this, hold on. So if you guys haven't checked out, I thought I said I was ready. So previously on my YouTube channel, I actually covered how to make chokers from scratch, from ribbons and leftover pieces of fabric. It's actually a very easy thing to do. If you have any questions on that, make sure to leave a comment down below or hit me up on my social media. If you do end up recreating any of these fashionable vampire bloody chokers, make sure to tag me with @CelesteOrchid. I would love to see what you guys come up with, or if you take your own ideas and show me what you've made. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click that playlist of 31 Days of Halloween if you've missed any of the other videos, or check out this one that YouTube recommends. Thanks for coming in. Remember to click that red button down below to subscribe to never miss out on any of my future cosplay content. And stay spooky, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!